Well, hey folks, it's Amy from Colorado Mountain Living, and this video we're going to tell you about our work in the master bathroom. So we've switched over from outdoors to indoors, and Brian has been working on our last two projects, our vanity area and our shower area. That's what's behind me. So you can see he's got a light in here now. That's a new addition, folks. So yeah, you'll get to see some of Brian's projects. And I was busy out of town this weekend. I was at a craft fair in Estes Park. So I was making some money selling jewelry and enjoying being at the Stanley Hotel. It was super fun. It's a fun place to be during the holidays. Always really festive and nice to get out of town a little bit and make a little bit of money on the side. So yeah, we'll show you guys what's going on this weekend. And also want to give you a heads up. We've got a huge major storm coming in tonight. In fact, it's just starting to snow outside right now. Some of the forecast is saying 8 to 14 inches. But we never know. We never know if it's going to be a bust or if it's going to be the big one. So we're going to keep you guys posted. I'll probably know by the end of the day tomorrow just how our snow totals ended up. So we'll post an update on that as well. But guys, let's see all the work that Brian did this weekend in the master bathroom.
Picture hanging time, or I should say mirror hanging time. I'm going to use different size bits. Work my way up from the small one to the bigger one. Just going to use just these little blue anchors. I think I'm going to get some hearing protection. That'd be 5/8 in there. This one's right on the seam, so it's a little trickier. These are those cheapo bits you get with just about every little drill set. This is the better one. Alright, what do you think? Ding, 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 ding. Pretty nice, yeah? Came out awesome. Miss Amy will be happy.
Well, it's not a bad commute up to Estes Park, so can't really complain about the drive. Pretty much zero traffic the entire time and perfect views. And of course, what's Estes Park without getting a look at some elk on your way into town. So over here on the left, by this little pond, a little group of elk there. And then rolling into the Stanley Hotel. If you guys have seen The Shining, the movie, that's where that's set, that creepy old historic hotel of Colorado. They even have a historic haunted tour if you want to get into it. So yeah, it's very popular. A lot of people coming visiting all the time. A perfect place to have a craft show for the holidays and always have a good time there. And lots of nice artists to look at and really beautiful things. And this is my happy place, so set up amongst all the other artists here. If you're looking for honeybee, honeycomb themed jewelry, you've come to the right booth. All my specialties are made with the honeycombs from my beehives, and I do a copper coating process over the top. The earrings, I do a lot of botanical designs, a lot of enamels. I even do some honeycombs, handmade, hand-cut, hand-enameled earrings. And then the necklaces themselves sort of speak for themselves. They're honeycombs encased in copper. If you guys are curious, if you think you want to get a gift for someone, you can go to my website, behappylife.com, and check it out. I still have some available before the holidays. I've got 2 more big shows coming up before I call it quits for the season. But you can get your very own one-of-a-kind honeycomb necklace made from the honeycombs from my bees. So Brian's next project in order is working on the shower. So he has to finish up putting the ceiling into the shower so he can mount the light for the shower. So you can see here there's some joists and some hot water lines and everything, but he's got to get the electrical done for the lamp for the light in the shower. So that's kind of what he's working on here. So I think some of the battery ran out on Brian when he was working on the video this weekend and didn't have me to help out. So as you can see, he was able to get the light connected and finish up all of the preparations for the ceiling of the shower. And I think we'll be stuck inside for a while this weekend because we're getting a major storm right now. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like outside. We're getting a big one, 8 to I think it was 14 inches it called for on the weather advisory. So big storm coming through Colorado. Starting right now, we're in the midst of maybe getting our first inch of the snow. It was supposed to start around 3 o'clock. I think it started here at about 2 o'clock. And it's supposed to go all night long and into tomorrow. So probably won't wrap up until maybe tomorrow afternoon or so. But we'll keep you guys posted on that because who knows? It's always exciting when we get a really big storm coming in, and it looks really pretty around here, very dramatic. Up in the mountains, you always get a lot more snowfall than the foothills for the most part. So we're all getting excited about that. And in the same vein, I think the animals know when big storms are coming because we had the coyote running around here earlier today. It was down by our border of our property, and it kind of moved up towards the septic area, so I had to keep an eye on that. But I let Vigo loose to see if he could chase him off, but Vigo actually had no idea where he was, and so he just ended up barking at the wind. But anyways, guys, so that is sort of the quick update from this past weekend. Fun weekend for me, more of a working weekend for Brian. But in any case, we are getting some things done, slowly but surely, and hopefully we'll get to start working on the vanity next, and maybe a little bit more work in the shower area as well. I'm not really sure when we're going to really dive into the all of the components of the shower. But Brian wanted to know, he was going to ask for some advice for you guys. What have you heard about or recommended for doing shower pans, shower liners, for doing a steam shower? Because we've got a whole steam shower unit still in the box, but using a steam shower, I forgot what the name of the brand was, if it was Sleater Kinney or something like that, but there was some particular brand of shower pan, shower liner that people had recommended for doing. Do you recommend using the what types of adhesive in a steam shower? Anyway, any advice about steam shower installation? We'd love to hear from you guys. That's going to be one of our big main winter projects, hopefully to wrap that up, and the vanity as well. But you guys, I'm going to keep you posted on the winter storm that's happening right now, and we'll let you know when it wraps up what we got for snow up here, because we already got 1 inch right now and it's coming down really good. So we'll keep you posted, guys. Thanks for tuning in. See ya. Bye-bye.